Okay, class is done. If anyone has any questions, please come up to the board and I'll be happy to answer them.
What are we learning about next week?
We'll be learning databases, and I will just go to ask the teacher some questions.
Oh, you're gonna ask the teacher a question right now?
Yeah.
I think, can I come with you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Oh, hey, how can I help you?
I just want to discuss about relational databases.
Yeah, for sure. I'm happy to talk about it.
Hey guys, I just had a quick question if that's okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's kind of a dumb question, but I'm hoping I can answer.
No questions are dumb questions in this
There we go. My question is, so I know that we're talking about databases next week. Honestly, what is a database?
You know what? That's a valid question for us. A database is an organized collection of data that is generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system.
Oh, wow. But aren't database languages a little bit confusing? Like, I know that we've learned about Java and C and C++ and things like that, but it just seems like database languages are a little bit more confusing. How do we understand those more easily?
Well, actually, there's a great tool called XML. XML is a language which defines a set of rules for encoding documents in a format that we can better understand, that can be better understood, by humans and machines.
So it sounds like it can be used on websites, is that true?
Yes, that's exactly right.
So then, how is it different from HTML?
Well, XML is visually very similar to HTML, but the biggest difference is that HTML describes the presentation of websites, whereas XML describes the data in plain text format.
Oh, I see.
Do you now understand the difference between the two?
Sort of.
Hey, how about we take a look to see what the differences really look like up close? Let's do a little activity.
Sure.
Can you answer this for me? Is this one HTML?
Well, from my experience, it looks like it is HTML. It has the right tags. They're being closed properly. The title tag, the title tag. This is HTML.
Well, this is actually not HTML. This is XML. It holds the different data pieces inside of it. This down here would be an example of HTML.
I see. So they do look very similar.
Yes, they do look very similar.
But the main difference is that HTML shows the data and XML kind of carries it.
Yes, and we can carry these different data points from a database.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you. So how does XML relate to databases then?
First, we must make it clear, XML is not a database. Relational databases are proven technology for more than 20 years of implementation experience. They are solid, stable, and useful products. They're definitely not going anywhere. XML is very useful technology for moving data between different databases or between other programs. However, it is not a database itself.
Oh, okay.
Does that make more sense now?
It does. I think I'm ready to learn about databases now.
In conclusion, the way that XML software is integrated with databases is by moving data between databases and documents. The main way that this software is able to do this is through XQuery, a language that is used for finding and extracting elements and attributes from an XML document. Databases that use XML documents are document-oriented, meaning that the databases use the principle of documents to store information rather than tables like we are used to in the relational model. I hope you enjoyed our short video of how XML and databases are integrated.